eUKhost offers a wide range of web hosting solutions for individuals, businesses, developers and public sector organizations, serving over 35,000 customers around the world. Technology at eUKhost is what really sets us apart from other companies. Our web servers are located in world-class data centers, featuring advanced redundancy, physical security and multiple fast network connections. With more than 100 employees working for eUKhost, friendly and knowledgeable technical support, billing and sales teams are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to answer any queries you may have. eUKhost has a very wide range of packages, from a site builder right up to private cloud provision. For the best VPS service with eUKhost, you will get 50% discounts if you subscribe now by using the link in the description below. Linux and Windows hosting is available. The former can be purchased with CPanel, or as a pure WordPress hosting package. Both platforms can be purchased as a shared hosting plan, or as a reseller. WordPress plans are priced based on storage and capacity, rather than the number of visits per month. eUKhost Site Builder is called Amazing Website. For unlimited users, the business and enterprise plans offer premium support, unlimited emails, and PayPal integration. There's a free hosting plan, but it only allows you to create a single page site. If you need up to 5 pages, you'll need to pay for the personal plan. For unlimited users, the business and enterprise plans offer premium support, unlimited emails, and PayPal integration. VPS and dedicated servers come with Windows and Linux too, and all dedicated servers are fully managed. If you choose a dedicated plan, be sure to check that your chosen storage is selected. Both HDD and SSD are available. Cloud hosting boasts a 100% uptime guarantee, and your server can be set up with a choice of Linux-based distributions, Windows 2008, or Windows 2012. You can design your own package with either CPanel or PLESK, uptime monitoring, and optional remote backup provision. Like, share and subscribe. Share this video.